According to the Health and Safety Executive, in 2023, there were 875,000 workers suffering with work-related stress, anxiety or depression in the UK. The human health and social care industry had the highest rates overall of work-related mental health struggles. Because of the struggles that come with this sector of work, it is important to look after the staff that are involved. I spoke to Vicky, a play specialist from Noah's Ark Children's Hospice, to find out a little bit more about her role, how it affects her and what mental health support they have within the workplace.
Hi, my name's Vicky and I'm a play specialist at Noah's Ark Children's Hospice. It's my role to offer structured, focused play sessions to our Noah's Ark children and their siblings. As you're probably aware, it can be really challenging at times and very emotionally high. People often ask me, how do you cope? How do you carry on each day? To be able to support these families right up until end of life, you are with them and you're on that journey with them. At Noah's Ark, we have fantastic support. So if a child does die with us at the Ark, we will always have an emotional debrief about that. And that's a space where we can go and we can explore our emotions and reflect on how we feel and why we feel that way. I'm also fortunate enough to be able to have one-to-one supervision. So that's a space where it's just me and the supervisor, and we get to explore my feelings and emotions and any challenges that I have within that month. We have well-being breakfasts, walks, coffees, teas, and to spend time just reflecting, thinking about our days and thinking about ourselves and our own mental health and well-being. I'm also very focused on when I get home from work, what activities I do to take care of me and that are not work related, so that I can focus on that and my own well-being.
I also spoke to Vicky Nicholson, another person whose career has been based in and around the health and social care sector her whole life.
So part of my role is supporting our parents. So all of our families have got children with lifelong or life-limiting conditions. So that can be children with autism, ADHD, all the way through to end of life, which is obviously very emotionally exhausting. So when I first started my job working with Forever Colours, I was trying to fit as many families as I could into one day, because there's so many families needing support. But what I found out was that I was absolutely exhausted by the end of the day. So now, kind of to protect myself, I strictly do 2 visits at a push 3 if it's an emergency. We have chance to offload to senior management and to supervision. We have lots of families with a variety of quite challenging behaviours and issues, and it just gives you a bit more of a lift and an ability to carry on taking on more challenges.
The impact such a grievous career would have on the carer's mental health could be detrimental and shouldn't be forgotten. Some of the most inspiring and rewarding jobs take the biggest toll on mental health. Having a job such as a caregiver is emotionally taxing and takes a strong person to fulfill. Often they are looked past and our focus is on the carer's patient. Be sure to check in with your loved ones who work within the health and social care sector. That's it from me, Ava Kempster at MDX Newsroom. Thank you and good night.